Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning motivational video. Today we're going to be doing a quick clean. Our home gets so dusty so often, and the dust is so thick that I have to take everything off to properly clean all the surfaces. This plant has grown so much. I'm waiting on Bob, James's dad, to come over and hang it up for me. If you want something done right, you have to ask Bob. We are in the process of looking at some designs for a bookshelf for this wall. We have hundreds and hundreds of books. I cannot wait to have them on the wall and not in a box in the closet, but in due time. I love this tray. In Canada, we get lots of snow and just like weird weather. This tray holds all the slush, salt, mud from our shoes. I mostly have it out in winter and spring months. The vacuum, for some reason, wasn't working, so I thought maybe hair was stuck in the beater bar. No one walks on my wet floor. That comes from my grandmother. Story for another day.
When it comes to maintenance tasks like dishes, laundry, or anything that has several steps, the way you approach it can make a big difference. With dishes, I take time to organize the mess into the surrounding space in the kitchen. Doing so gives me the room to do the job right from the start. For many people, the gravity of the task can deter them from taking action. For those of us out there who experience this feeling, I have an approach you can take that gets results. The secret is to commit to doing a little. To get things rolling, then use the momentum you build to get yourself to the end of the task. Many small efforts collect and combine into something substantial over time, so harness that power. Remove the shame and self-degrading feelings that can arise when doing maintenance tasks. Just start on it little by little, corner by corner, step by step.
Drop me a line in the comments or on Instagram and tell me how you tackle your maintenance task. always break laundry baskets. So James got me this one from China. It is huge and I love it, especially when we have to wash pillows and blankets. I love blowing out the fan once in a while. Second round of emptying the vacuum. We will be redoing our bedroom. Even though it is not top priority as we spend less time in this room, I am currently looking at paint strips and themes that I think we might love. When James and I were designing our home, we had paint strips all over the place, at least for 2 months before we decided on what color and theme we wanted to go with. I'm sure the bedroom will be no different. If you don't have a body pillow, I would highly recommend that you get one. I have learned a long time ago that if I don't fold the laundry right away, the clothes sit there for weeks and then I feel bad or I get hard on myself for it not being done. So because I don't like that feeling, I immediately fold and put away. If there is a lot of laundry to be done, I always break it up into days. Thank you for watching. If you've liked my video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you later.